Today we are going to see how to create ER diagram quickly without spending hours and hours. There are a couple of tools we are going to use and how to create the ER diagram like within like 5 minutes. So I mean these tools help mostly students and database developers also and creating a project. So we need so many like diagrams like ER diagrams or data flow diagrams, or we can create class diagrams. So I mean just we have to provide some prompts in the ChatGPT, and then we can create take that ask the ChatGPT to create a script, and we can take the script and we can create a ER diagram like within 5 minutes. So first of all, what is I mean there are so many diagrams, but the ER diagrams are the entity diagrams. It's a type of chart flow, I mean, that we can show relationship between the entities, like how entities like people, students, class, objects, those are the entities. So how they relate with one another within the system. Let's get started with the our next slide. So we are using ER diagram. We are creating a ER diagram using Mermaid, ChatGPT, and draw.io. So let's see what is like Mermaid. So this is the official website of Mermaid. It is a JavaScript based diagramming and charting tool that renders markdown inspired text definition to create and modify diagram dynamically. So this is the website for Mermaid, and we are going to use ChatGPT to create a script for us, and we are going to use draw.io. So when you Google draw.io and click the link, you will come here and you will see this dashboard or GUI. So just go to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to we will design a ER diagram for the hospital management. So we'll give a prompt to ChatGPT to create a script for a Mermaid script. This is the Mermaid, so we need a script to generate the ER diagram. So we'll ask ChatGPT to create a script for hospital management. So here I'm giving the script prompt to the ChatGPT: create a Mermaid ER diagram script for the hospital management. So ChatGPT is giving us a ER diagram script, a Mermaid script for ER diagram. So we have to copy this script, and let's copy this script. Copy, and we are going to draw.io. So there are options that you can save the diagram to Google Drive or OneDrive or device or GitHub, GitLab or Dropbox, or you can say the decide later. So click here, decide later. I'm using this one, and this is the like GUI for the dashboard. You can call dashboard for draw.io. So here you can design like multiple diagrams or chart flows, like data definition flow, or ER diagram or class diagram or sequence diagram you can create. Here there are shapes, rectangle shape, circle, all these things we can use, and we can give the direction also, connectors, and there are advanced features also. You can use this feature. So but we are not going to design the diagram manually. So we are going to create a uh, like diagram using ChatGPT's script. That is the Mermaid script that generated by the ChatGPT. So here you go here. So first you go here arrange, and you go insert and go to advanced, and you can click to Mermaid. So you can give lot, there are a lot of options. This is a very good tool to for the developing projects, and student who they, if they have a small project also they want to work on that one, they can use this tool. It's very uh, amazing tool. So now we have to create a diagram. So I'm clicking Mermaid. So here it's giving the basic script, how to create a script. So we don't want this thing, we want the script from ChatGPT. We got the script from the ChatGPT now. So this is the script, we already copied that script. Again we will copy and we'll go here and just paste it. So you have option that you can draw or image also. So we are using the draw, and let's see how it will create a diagram. See, you got a diagram in a second. When you create a script, when you just paste a script and click insert, click the insert button, and you get the diagram. You can give the like complex script also. It will create the complex diagram also. So this is the diagram, and here the property panel. You can change the, if you want to change something text, if you want to add more column, or you want to change the data type, so you can change using this one, and you can use the different font also, background color, and many more things. And here you can change the color also. Here you can see the, you can change the color, different color, or you can give the default color. So whatever color you want you can change, and you can give it to every like all the entities also. Here you can see, when you hover here, you can see that one, it's showing arrow mark. Then you can drag something, and you can put some diagram here also. You can modify this one. So I don't want to modify. So let's see this one. If you want to add something, and then here actors, and here you can give the call outs. So in this session, just we are going to see the how to create a diagram using ChatGPT, Mermaid, and the draw.io. So in the next session, I'm going to show you how to create sequence diagrams, class diagrams, and other things. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that you can copy this image. You can copy as image, and you can open in the paint, and you can, or you can save on your system also. So you see here, this is the diagram. You can, or you can save like this, save as. You can save on Google Drive, or on your local, or Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, or you can download also. So these are the options available for you, so you can use that one. So yeah, as I told you that I'm going to create more videos on this mermaid and using ChatGPT to draw different diagrams like data flow diagrams for this hotel management only, and we can create a class diagram and we can see all those things. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a good one.